Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to like an Instagram story. Yes guys, it is possible to like an Instagram story. Yeah, maybe it's new for you, but here it is, the latest version of Instagram, and there is a new feature on the Instagram story. When you type on the Instagram site, and as you can see right down, you have the option for heart or for liking this Instagram story. Go to another story, and here also you can see on every single story for getting a like on the story side. Just you type on it, and here as you can see with this you have liked this Instagram story. Now we'll choose another story, for example this one. Just go down and we have liked this story. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.